So we are very excited of this maiden report that seeks to provide highlight on the state of the venture capital and private equity in Ghana. This report came through the collaborative efforts of Impact Investing Ghana, Ghana Venture Capital and Private Equity Association. We also had the support from think tanks, local research partner being Empirics. This whole approach was to ensure that we strengthen our engagement with local think tanks, leveraging on their insights to drive research that informs action. And so one key thing that I'm excited about is that the research report actually resonates with the stakeholders. They understand the key issues, and then they are excited to commit to ensure that those actionable steps are implemented. And so for us at Impact Investing Ghana, we look forward to working with all stakeholders, but more importantly, identifying key issues via the bottom-up approach and working together in a more collaborative manner to ensure that each and everyone has a stake in the game and ensure that we work to achieve the goals. And I'm sure that in the few years to come, the venture capital private equity space would see much more progress, and then we can look back and say that through this data-driven insights, be able to drive the outcomes and impacts that are needed. Thank you.